Welcome to the Brow Tidying at Home video. My first tip is to put your brow makeup on. Now, whether that's a pencil or a powder or a brow mascara, whichever one you prefer to use, if you pop this on first, it will really help to define where your natural shape is. As you can see, I'm using the Eyebrow Queen Brow Pro pencil to fill in where I've got gaps to define my brow shape. Next, you'll need to brush your brows up. This really helps when defining the shape. You should have one of these little brushes that we gave to you in the salon. If not, you can use an old toothbrush, or if you're desperate, a hairbrush. Next, you'll need a good pair of tweezers. I'm using the Eyebrow Queen Precision Tweezers. The rule of thumb. So all you need to do is pop your thumb in the centre of your brows and at the tail end of your brows, and this will be where you'll be taking away the unruly hair. Make sure you stretch the skin as taut as possible. This really helps when tweezering hair. For those of you who are a little more confident with your brows, you can use a technique that we use in the salon. You'll need a straight edge like a little ruler or a spatula. Place the edge of your straight edge on the outside of the nostril and make sure it goes through the tear duct straight up. This is where your brows should start. The next measurement is taken from the outside of your nostril going through the outside of your eye line, and this is where the brow should end. Remember that natural brows are on trend at the moment, so it's quite nice to keep them as full as possible. You can find more top tips like this on our Instagram and Facebook page, and feel free to message us with any questions. Thank you for watching.